Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel English Literature. Now today we're going to read John Keats' Ode to Nightingale, stanza 5. In stanza 4 we have found that Keats has already gone to the world of Nightingale. Already with thee, tender is the night. So he is already there, and he there in the stanza 4 he experienced Queen Moon clustered around by starry face and various gloom, winding mossy ways. So all these experience have got. Now in this stanza he is describing some other parts of that world of Nightingale. I cannot see what flowers are at my feet. So already darkness is engulfing the world, the Nightingale's world, so he cannot see properly what flowers are at his feet. But when his visuality is disturbed, his other senses are powerful. He can feel. So the poet cannot see properly. For the engulfing darkness, but he can feel. What he can feel? Nor what soft incense hangs upon the boughs. So I cannot see what flowers are at my feet. The poet spirits have faded into the world of romantic world of Nightingale, and there are so many flowers are there, but he cannot see them, that what flowers are growing at my feet, nor what soft incense. Now what is incense? We all know incense is type of, in every house there is, in most of the Bengali or any those who Odes, there will find a stick, and the stick, if you burn the stick, there will be sweet smell or fragrance. That is called incense stick. And incense is anything, that any substance, if you burn that, it will give you fragrance. So incense is effect, incense is fragrance. So it is effect for the cause. Now here soft incense. Soft incense means mildly scented, and here soft incense stands for mildly scented flowers, because he is telling that they are hanging, so not other substance can hang. So mildly scented flowers are hanging upon the boughs, upon the branches. In the word soft, we are saying that it is mildly. Again, you find a sense of touch here. So all the senses are just mingling in this superb mess up. That your olfactory senses, your you cannot visualize except that one. All the other senses is just here getting messed up. In the embalmed darkness, balm. So darkness is here embalmed. Perfumed. Embalmed darkness means darkness that is rich with the smell of flowers. Darkness rich with the smell of flowers. Perfumed darkness. You can also say it is, the darkness is perfumed. Perfumed darkness. Smell, the darkness is full of the smell of flower. And because of the sweet smell of the flowers, these flowers are called, they are compared with incense, a material which exhales fragrant fumes. Okay, that's why flowers are taken in comparison with incense. I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what soft incense hangs upon the boughs, but in embalmed darkness, guess each sweet, each sweet, each sweet. Each sweet refers to that each sweet smelling flower. Each sweet refers to each sweet smelling flower, and guess, he is telling, he is asking himself to guess. He is asking himself to try to distinguish the different flowers from the different fragrance. So by guess, actually the word guess, the poet is asking himself, the poet is asking himself to try to distinguish the different flowers from their different fragrance. Guess each sweet. Sweet means fragrant flower. So each means each sweet smelling flower. The poet is interested in distinguish the each sweet smelling flower. Okay, can I explain it? Wherewith the seasonable month endows. Wherewith the seasonable month. What is referred by seasonable month? Month that brings forth the flowers in their season. So seasonal month refers to month that brings forth the flowers in their seasons. In the season. Month that brings forth flowers in the season, and it refers to May, because we will find that name again. What is the seasonable month endows? The grass, the thicket, the fruit tree, wild fruit tree, not eatable, not edible, but it indicates the wealth of nature. That the word wild refers to the poet's interact with nature, not human world, but nature, where everything is wild. In human world, everything is tamed, but in nature world, there is wild. The grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree. The fruit trees are not edible fruit trees, but they are wild fruit trees. White hawthorn. Hawthorn is a type of wild rose. Wild fruit tree. Hawthorn is a type of wild rose and pastoral eglantine. First fading violet. He is naming one after another. First fading violet. He is naming one after another the names of different flowers. Why it is fast fading means it quickly fading, covered up, hidden. These flowers are hidden inside the leaves, covered up. Fast fading violets. And the mid-May's eldest. So now this season is May. Mid-May's eldest child, who is? Can we find that line number 8? 6-syllabic line. 8th line. Of every stanza you will find this style. It is an amazing style by Keats in Ode to a Nightingale. The coming mask rose. Coming mask rose. So mask rose is a coming. Mask rose is in the state of coming, means half blossom. Half blossom. Not it is fully blossomed, but it is half blossom. In a state of like cup, the bud shape, the bud. It is still in the bud form, not it is fully bloomed. Just like coming series, the next episode is coming, but you are waiting for the episode to come, but it is not still uploaded. The coming musk rose, full of dewy wine. So you can imagine the pictography here. The musk rose is just like a beaker which is full of dewy wine. It is full of, I draw so well, I myself get mesmerized by my drawing. So you just feel like this, that it is full with dew. Musk rose is a favorite flower of Keats. You can find the mention of musk rose even in his Endymion. There she lay, wet as musk rose upon new made hay. So I think that musk rose is his favorite flower, and it is full of dewy wine. And why it is mid-May's eldest child? Because it is the first flower that opens at the time of May, and here it appears like a cup, just cup, and the dew just get gathered in there. And this rose, you must know that this rose has beautiful fragrance. It is a fragrant species of rose. Musk rose is a fragrant species of rose. The murmurous hunt of flies. Murmurous means humming sound. Humming sound of the flies on summer eve. Murmurous hunt of flies on summer eves. Eves means evening. Murmurous hunt means humming sound of flies, that is called murmurous hunt. And this humming sound of flies is just like making something dizziness, make the atmosphere like dizzy, and make him understand that there is a musk rose, because the flies are attracted by the musk rose and they are making this humming sound. They are waiting for the coming series of the musk rose and they are making humming sound. Fast fading violet. Violets, bluish or light purple color, sweet smelling flower. They wither. They are fast fading in the sense that they wither very easily. They wither easily, very quickly. They wither very quickly. That's why they are called fast fading. And mid-May's eldest child, the coming. That is blooming, not yet fully bloomed, but they are developing. Actually, they are coming means developing, blooming. Seasonable month. Seasonable month is an important phrase. It refers to the month that brings forth the flowers in the season, and here it is referred to May, because May is favorable to the growth of various types of seasonal flower. So you must remember this. What is seasonable month? Seasonable month refers to the month that brings forth the flower in this season, and it is called, May is called seasonal month because during this time the this month is favorable to the growth of various types of flower. This month is favorable to the growth of various types of season flowers. You know, in our country, in this warm country, October, November, December, January, these months are taken as the months of season flowers, but they take May as the month of season flowers. Endows means enriches. Endows means enriches. thicket grass, thicket, everything is now in bloom position. Everything is now rich. Everything is rich with blossoms. Wild fruit tree that is not attended by any human beings. Pastoral eglantine is also known as honeysuckle. This is also known as honeysuckle. So the poet is so much acquainted with nature. See, he is so familiar with nature, and this also expresses his love for nature, obviously. And finally, mid-May's eldest child, coming mask rose, full of dewy wine, murmurs haunt of flies. Murmurs haunt of flies signifying the coming of musk rose, because the flies are attracted by the fragrance of musk rose, and they have gathered around it, waiting for it to bloom. On summer evening, the bees crowd together and hum gently round the musk rose for its honey. So the musk rose and the bees murmur is so much associated. The last line, the murmurous hunt of flies or summaries, is an example of onomatopoeia. Its sound echoes the sense. Sound echoes the sense. Can you visualize the scene? The musk rose is blooming, just unfurling its petals, and their dewdrops are gathering there, and the flies are gathered around it during summer evening just to taste its honey, and they are waiting eagerly for it to bloom fully. So this is a beautiful paragraph. This is beautiful stanza, and this describes the beauty of nature and the world of Nightingale with so many flowers. Okay, we must wait for our next stanza and what new thing is waiting there. Thank you for staying with me. Have a good day.